Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Friday the 17th of November. In this video we'll be looking at the charts on the gold price, which is best to view on TradingView using the code XAUUSD. What we'll see is that the gold price is being pincered between the downtrending 50 and the rising 200-day moving average. That's likely to keep the range trading that we've seen continue. However, in the short-term chart, the 4-hour chart, the moving averages have all come together, which is always very interesting, and it may create a break, but you need to wait for the break. We don't know the direction yet. Let's look at those charts. And here we are, as usual, starting with the weekly chart, and you can see that the gold price has pulled back to the rising 20-day moving average, and it is finding support around that level. So that's hopeful. You can see that the range trading has been going on for about 4 weeks now, and as I said in the intro, it could continue longer. Down to the downside, both the 50 and the 200-week moving averages are now also rising, which is positive. Momentum is neutral. You can see the downtrend is just going sideways. It's round about 50, presently 51.99. Likewise, the MACD are very close to each other, moving sideways, but they are above zero, indicating there is still some positive momentum on the gold price. On the daily, here you can see that the 50 days downtrending, the 200-day is rising, and we are getting a pincer movement between the two. We actually haven't yet been down to the 200-day to test that support, but it's been an influence on all these lowers. You can see that we're having this pincer movement between the moving averages. It could be a flag. Let's wait and see, but certainly you're getting the picture of lower highs and higher lows coming into a triangular flag formation. A break above the 50 would be positive, and then above the resistance at 1290 would break that trend to the upside. To the downside, a move below that 200-day at 1264.94 would be decisive. On the 4-hour picture, here I think it's very interesting that all the moving averages are together. We are getting a golden cross just being created as the 20 crosses the 50 and it crosses the 200. But I always believe that when these moving averages are together like this, we could get a move away from them. So let's keep an eye out. At the moment, obviously, we're to the upside. Also, we are getting some slight rise in upside momentum. You can see the RSI is edging up in a shallow uptrend, presently 56.19, and also the short-term MACD just moved above the longer term and above zero. Now many would see that as a buy sign, so note that, but really a move above the resistance at 1290 would confirm the break to the upside. Looking at the support and resistance levels, the 50-day is the key resistance, 1285.7, with the high of the 15th of November at 1289.61, with support at the 20-day 1282.14, and then the 200 on the 4-hour 1280.22. So that's been TA for Traders looking at the gold price. The key conclusions to take from the video: look set in a range trading format. We're getting a pincer movement between the 50 and the that should be the 200-day moving average. The 4-hour moving average is very interesting as they're all together. Momentum's neutral. Short term in the 4-hour, it did seem to be picking up. Wait for a break either way, and when it happens, it will be decisive. So that's been TA for traders. Looking at the gold price. Sorry, my green screen's falling on me. Many thanks for watching. If you're not a subscriber to my YouTube channel, please do hit the subscribe button. You will then get email updates when I come out with further videos. I'm not around next week. I'm working up in London, so there'll be no videos next week, but they'll start again on Monday, whatever it is, the near the end of November. Please remember, these videos are for information only, and they're my opinion, and they're not an investment recommendation.